Hello there Algarve lovers, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to continue our tour of Lisbon, and we've chose to come and view some of the really good viewing points high above Lisbon, so come and take a look with us guys. So we've just took the, was it number 737 bus up?
Yeah, it was.
From the square up to the castle, and this is really beautiful, really oldie worldy this. Yeah. Total contrast to what we showed you yesterday.
Not what we shown and what we did yesterday. We don't know when this video is going to go on.
Here's one of the little tour buses. Now we have just checked it out, haven't we?
Yeah.
And some lovely little shops and restaurants. To get into the castle, there's quite a big queue, and we're short for time today because we've got to be back in the airport in the next 2 hours. Little pasteleria selling toasties, bifanas, which Sue wants before we leave.
Yeah, I really fancy a bifana for breakfast. But guys, if you don't know what a bifana is, it's pork, and they season it, marinate it, and then it's, you know, like grilled or in the frying pan. And sometimes they give you onions on it. It's on a barm cake, and it's just so nice and tasty. So that's what I fancy, Steve.
Really quirky, a nice restaurants hidden, tucked away in the background there. You've got to climb a little to get to the castle.
Steve, look in here.
Got little souvenir shops. Is it ceramics that, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, ceramics and everything, there's wine in there.
Oh, I love these.
Oh, port, there's a port.
They're
€4. I don't know if that's for a glass or a bottle. But yeah, it's really chilled out here, Sue, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
What are they selling? Jewellery.
What time are we on about now, Steve?
11ish. No, it's 11. I think 11, yeah.
It's quite full.
Yeah, no.
It's quite busy.
We've got about an hour before we've got to go. So you can make the view of Lisbon out there.
Oh, let's look at him over there, see in the corner.
Sue, go and tell the viewers what this guy does.
Well, he does paintings out of coffee painting.
Go on.
I love the old-fashioned music.
Beautiful, that. Wow.
Go right up, look at those paintings.
See? There he is in action. So all these paintings are made out of coffee?
Yeah. Look at this, Steve.
Beautiful, that.
The ones with color are what color.
All right.
And the brown is coffee.
Well, you're very talented.
Wow, look at that.
Lovely.
Oops.
It's getting a bit crowded there.
I love his hat. Do you, Steve?
Yeah, so you got to be pretty fit to get up these hills.
Oh, Steve, what can I see?
No.
Sangria. Come
No
on,
way.
let's get one. And they do a hot wine. The Portuguese hot wine, Steve. Hello.
You okay?
Hi. Could I would.
She
I'd
does.
love a sangria, please.
You want white or red?
What would you recommend?
Red.
Yeah.
Go on then. It's Christmas, eh? Keep in the mood.
This is.
This cup is 10 and this is 50.
What's that? Sorry.
This one is 50, this one is 10.
Yeah, the
I
10,
like
one for the top for 10.
yeah. I don't want to get drunk. It's too
No, just one,
early.
just one. Yeah. Do you know what this girl's name is?
This girl.
Yeah. Sangria Sue her name is. Yeah.
Oh, really? It's right, it's meant to be.
It's meant to be.
That's what we said.
Sangria.
When we seen you, we thought, no way.
No, yeah. It's the universe calling you. Are you enjoying Lisbon?
Yeah, we're
Loving
just
it.
on our way home, unfortunately.
Oh, really?
So we thought, yeah, we definitely will do. It's beautiful.
You
Beautiful
want a
city.
straw?
Yes, please.
I'm gonna get you a red one, so please.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
Muito obrigada.
What's your name, love?
Katerina.
Okay,
Katerina.
No problem.
Have a lovely
Okay.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Right, Sue,
Yeah,
give it a go and let us know.
I'll give it a go and let you know. Spot on that. Definitely coming back.
Hang on,
I'm going to wait for you after.
let me taste it.
Oh, you want to have a little taste? What do you think? It's nice, that,
Oh,
isn't it?
very nice, yeah. Yeah. We can only have one between the two of us, yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Okay,
Merry Christmas.
see you again. Ciao.
Oh, what's this?
Nacho, nacho.
The hot
You okay?
wine.
Hot wine.
Hot wine.
Hot wine.
And then hot chocolate,
Oh, Steve, do you want hot chocolate?
No, my hands are
looks
full. When I
nice.
come back, I'll have one, yeah? Okay, I promise you, yeah?
Promise.
Wow.
Can't break your promise now, Steve.
So, wow, look at the queue for the castle.
Look at the Christmas
I know.
tree. Oh,
Yeah, so
lovely.
there is a large queue for the castle. We've not got time to queue in it.
Steve,
so-
and look, the red telephone
Oh, it's
box.
beautiful. Really
So
quirky, isn't
random.
it? So we're going to go a little bit higher, and I think the viewpoint is called Miradora. We're going to check that out. But look at these lovely cobbled streets. Pastéis de bacalhau, which we had one of those yesterday. They were lovely. Look at that spicy pizza there, Sue.
Oh, spicy Steve.
Really lovely and quirky.
I can feel a bit of rain, Steve.
Yeah, I just felt a little bit myself, yeah.
Hopefully it's not going to affect the video.
Freshly baked pastel de natas. A souvenir shop. There's loads of them actually, isn't there?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Look at the paintings there. Beautiful. More souvenir shops.
You know what, Steve? I'm really gutted that we didn't come for the full weekend.
I know.
We needed more days,
Yeah.
didn't we, to get about and check everything out, because it's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, we only come for 24 hours, which was a big
Crazy.
mistake.
Yeah.
Definitely got to return. So you got the tourist information point there. Another souvenir shop. Well, that's a shame. So it's just started trickling with rain. And this little cafe here, Sue, has got the Francesinha.
There it is, Steve, look.
I definitely want. I'm going to pop in there in a minute. The last meal before we
Well,
leave
tell
Lisbon.
the guys what it is.
Well, it looks like a lasagna, but it's got ham, cheese, egg,
Tomato sauce.
sausage, all in like a sandwich. It's lovely. And you're going to have a bifana, are you, Sue? Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah.
So this is where you come out of the castle. I think you pay €5 in, do a tour of the castle, you come out this end to this lovely little square. It's got the old-fashioned telephone booths in. A guy playing lovely chill-out music. And we're going to pop over to Torre Da Igreja. So come and check it out with us. Okay, the entrance fee is €5 and you get a complimentary drink as well. You do port? Is it? Yeah, I'll have a port, please. I didn't expect that. Thank you very much. Little quirky tunnels. Multimedia room, you're not allowed in there. no idea what we're going to be seeing when we get to the top. Well guys, I've walked to the top. It's not for the faint-hearted. I just have to have a little breather and a little swig of port. So there's the bells. I've left Sue down there in the phone box because it's just started to drizzle. And check this view out, guys. Absolutely beautiful. That was well worth the climb. If you've never been to Lisbon, guys, come and check it out. It's absolutely amazing. And the food is reasonably priced. Great to come for a weekend. I'm going to join Sue, take our last meal before we fly back to Faro. Sue's been waiting for me in the telephone box. People are taking photos of her. I think she's part of the day.
Getting out of the rain, guys.
Come on, Sue, let's go get something to eat. Come on, Sue.
Steve, I'm just hiding, drinking my sangria. Wait a minute, let's call home. Hello. Weather's gorgeous. Yeah. How are you? Yeah, we're fine. Yeah, we're having a great time in Lisbon. Love Lisbon. Anyway, see you later. Ciao for now.
Right, Sue, come on, let's get something to eat, otherwise we'll miss that plane.
Come on.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, we did, guys, give him a few pennies before. We're not tight, are we, Steve?
Well, you might be famous, Sue, in that phone booth.
Stop it.
Oh, that's a shame, the wind's just picked up.
It certainly has. No sun today, guys. We had it yesterday. It was great, wasn't it? It was beautiful blue skies. Oh, look at this, Steve. I'm loving the decorations. They don't go over the top here, do they? Simple but beautiful, eh? Could you imagine what that house is like inside, Steve?
Well, it's three stories high.
Whoa.
And about 3 foot wide.
Yeah. I'm loving all this. Look, the washing, drying outside, but you know, it's had a bit of rain on it as well. Oh, look, how cute is that? I love it. I don't know, the wind will dry it again,
It will, yeah.
Steve, look. You always hear those birds in the cages somewhere, don't you, in these back streets?
Are they not fake, them?
No. I don't think so.
The lovely streets, these.
Yeah. You just don't know what you're going to find, Steve. Look, the bath mats, the tea towels with the bath mats.
At least there's no undies out there.
Yeah, I know, yeah. When you see the bras and knickers, it's funny. I love how they just hang it out. They don't care, do they? Let everyone see it.
Right, we've got about 20 minutes to kill, guys, because we're a little bit early for lunch. They don't start serving food till 12. Now on 20 to 12.
Oh, look at this, Steve. Hi.
That's a nice apartment, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting busy.
Oops.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Blocking
it certainly
people.
is getting busy.
It's very busy. Let's make our way to another restaurant, Sue. Sue, check that out. Remember yesterday in the main pedestrianised street we had, what was it called?
The codfish
pastel de
pastry.
bacalhau, yeah, with a Porto wine. It's €5, so that's a tenner for two. We
Yeah.
paid €25.
Yeah, but Steve, we got the glass free.
We did.
Do you think we'll get them home?
Well, they're in
on
my
the
bag
plane
now.
without breaking them or
I hope
what?
so.
We just got to buy a bottle of port tonight to drink and
That's
celebrate.
well cheap, isn't it?
Yeah.
While we're finding more little quirky restaurants, there's even some up here.
Steve, we better not miss the flight, you know. We're getting a bit wrapped up in this.
Wow.
Another one.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, this is a lovely little bar.
Lovely, yeah.
And the sun's here again.
We've got around here. Cocktails.
Steve, stop it. I've still got this one.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Wow.
Wow, look at the homes.
Beautiful. Oh. It's like a maze. It's hard work though carrying this bag around. Right, must be near 12 o'clock now, Sue.
Right, come on, let's get something to eat. Yeah, guys, we're in search of a little restaurant that sells a Bifana for me. And what's yours called, Steve?
Francesina.
I can never pronounce that. I'm a bit of a dimwit, aren't I?
Bit of a blonde moment, Sue. Yeah.
Grey moment, yeah. So we found the best Bifana there. I fancy that.
We're pushing for time, Sue. So let's just grab 2 Bifanas.
Yeah, and this place is pretty quiet. But if
Yeah.
we was there, we might miss the plane. What do you think?
We haven't got any time to wait, kid. Yeah. Let's give it a go.
Yeah, and we'll let you know.
Well, the 737's just arrived. That's what we will be getting once we've had our Bifanas.
And that's how we arrived, guys, on that bus.
They're quite regular, aren't they, Sue?
Yeah, and it was really cheap, wasn't it?
Yeah,
You bought them tickets.
When we came yesterday, we bought a ticket at the Metro. It was 50 cents for the card, £6.50 to top up. Gives you 24 hours unlimited use of trams, buses, trains. You can't beat that.
Can't beat that.
You still got that Sangria, Sue?
I know, I'm going slow. It's early, Steve. Cheers.
So we finally settled for 2 Bifanas, a ham and cheese toasty, and a portion of chips for me. And let me know, say the prices.
Yeah, come on.
Bifana €4. Traditional sandwich of pork marinated in garlic, white wine and spices. Suits me, kid, yeah. That is €4. The toaster mishta, $4.50. And a plate of chips is, or French fries as they call it here, $3.50.
Can't wait, starving Marvin. So guys, this is the Bifana. This is what I've been waiting for. Get it over, Steve, have a look. So, beautiful bread. You know the bread in Portugal is the best. And then look at that, guys.
That looks like it's been
The
marinated.
juices, yeah, it's been marinated. Let's taste a bit of that pork. Look at that. If you've never had a Bifana, I recommend it's the best. Better than a burger.
Definitely. And we've got a portion of chips or
Yeah,
French
homemade.
fries.
We waited a while for these, didn't we?
We did,
Steve?
yeah.
They're
We've had
roasting hot.
we've had to cut the food short because we're really pushed for time. We've got to get to the airport. We've got 2 glasses of red, 2 Bifanas, a portion of chips, €20.
What's not to like?
We've got to down this quick and then jump in one of them taxis to the airport.
Cheers, guys. Come on, Steve, let's say cheers. And guys, thanks for watching. And we'd love to wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys.
Yep, if you've liked this video, guys, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.